Hello YouTubers! If your home has a ceiling that needs attention, you've come to the right place. We specialize in stretch ceiling and recreating ceilings to make them beautiful again. Whether it is an ugly popcorn ceiling or an old dated, stained construction joint, we have someone on staff who can help. Many of our clients have projects that involve asbestos and other complicated substances. Our experts are ready for any challenge. If you're looking to give your condo a facelift, consider installing a stretch ceiling in one or more rooms. Stretch ceilings are made from fabric stretched over plastic frames, which results in an attractive design and soundproofing benefit. In addition to the added dimension they provide as compared to traditional ceilings. Have you ever heard of the stretch ceiling? A fantastic material to embellish and renovate your old ceiling? Dust-free and fast? A floating ceiling? No? This is a new material called stretch ceiling system. An amazing material to embellish, renovate your old ceiling? Dust-free? Fast installation? Without removing furniture? No? Just relax and discover. Stretch ceiling is a floating ceiling